Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to give a quick shout out. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and being the first to comment on my last video. So really quickly, I want to show you guys some PR that MelodySusie was kind enough to send over. It is their 2-in-1 nail drill / nail lamp. And just real quickly, we'll get right into the video. This is buy it. It's a game changer. Honestly, truly, it is a true game changer. I absolutely love it. It's super compact. Like, it's amazing. And then it has an LCD screen. So it's like touchscreen. I just love it. I really do. I definitely recommend it if you have a small space like me and you need something more compact. The bottom is magnetic, so it just goes right on if you're, you do your toes. So I have a discount code down below in the description. I definitely recommend it. It's been the best. I absolutely love it. So let's hop right into the video now. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Oh my gosh. Well, I think this is the day before, but I'm talking too much. Let's hop right into the tutorial. So I'm using the short square nail soft gel full nail covers for this video. I'm thinking about adding these to my Etsy shop. They're not there yet, but if you guys are interested, I'll definitely bring them. Just let me know down in the comments. And I'm just going to size them out so they fit my natural nails. All right, so the nails are all sized out. We're doing a V-Day inspired look, and I'm going to apply a picture somewhere in this video of my inspiration because I'm kind of copying a design but adding my own twist to it. So for Polygel, we're going to be using Model 1's Polygel and MAKARRT. For these nails, I'm using Model 1's Soft Pink, and then I kind of marble one. I use Model 1 Soft Pink, Clear, and then MAKARRT's Bright White. So those are the 3 polygels I use. I also am using alcohol as my slip solution for this video. I'm really not going to do too much talking because it's not much to explain. I'm just going to let you guys watch me work. When you're doing polygel, you just want to make sure that you're flipping the underneath of your hand and patting it down. I always forget to show that, and honestly, I forget to do that often when I do my nails, but that's the only tip I'm going to say. Oh, and also make sure that your cuticle area is flushed compared to the rest of your nail. But for some of my nails, we're just going to be doing like a Gel X method a little bit. So you'll see. I'm just going to sit back, let you guys watch me work, and hopefully you're enjoying or prepping for your Valentine's Day, whether it's, with a spouse, partner, or with a girlfriend, or even by yourself. Self-love is the most important. I hope you guys are enjoying it. So for my designs and my decals, I'm using Top Coat, and I'm using the Model 1's Top Coat to do my pinky design. And I'm using MAKARRT's, these are all MAKARRT decals and stickers and, nail art designs. They sent this to me last year for Valentine's Day, and I'm so in love with the set. It's a whole bunch of different nail art things you can use. So I'm only using the pink hearts in this mixture they gave me. So it was kind of hard picking them out individually and very tedious, but yeah, that's the nail art I'm using. I think it was called their Hooked on Love collection. It was bomb, phenomenal. I'm sure they have something else this year that's great. So I definitely recommend looking into it. And if you guys are interested, I do have a coupon code for MAKARRT and Model 1's. They're listed down in the description. So if you're interested and you want to save a little bit of money, definitely check out my description. So here I'm just marbling my polygels, and all I'm doing is squeezing all three of them, and then I'm just going to take the other end of my polygel brush. I'm using MAKARRT polygel brush, by the way, and I mix it, do 1 to 2 mixes, that's it. You don't want to mix it too much because then it just becomes one color. So if you mix it gives it this like frosted kind of marble-ish design. Super cute. And I like to keep it more clear on the tips of my nails, if that makes sense. When I'm applying the mixture, I like to apply the clearish part mostly to the top. This nail design was super easy. It's super fun. I just love doing holiday inspired nail sets. This one was so cute. I'm loving them. I'm looking at my nails now and I'm just like, oh, how cute. I love the hearts. I love the pink. I love everything about Valentine's Day. Even when I didn't have a man, because let me tell you, I didn't have a man for a very long time. I just got in a relationship. This is actually our first Valentine's Day together. But I would go out with my girlfriends all the time, and when I saw people in love, it just made me so happy. I could never be a hater. I'm sorry. Like, I know some people were like, "Oh, I hate this holiday." Don't hate it, embrace it, because you get what you give, right? I don't know. And it's not even that I was thinking that when I was embracing it. It's just beautiful to be in love, and it's beautiful to see people in love. So if you are struggling with a breakup, or you haven't been able to find the right one for you, just remember, try and stay positive. It's one day. It's just 24 hours. So let's go over all of the tools I'm using. I kind of just put it all in one. I'm using Go-Go by MAKARRT. This is their Oi Sun line. Or Awesome Colors. It's one of their it's MAKARRT gel polish though. The nail art brush I'm using is by Shein. If you haven't checked out Shein for nail art supplies, you definitely should. The palette that my gel polish is on is also from Shein. Right now I'm just outlining it to do kind of a French design, but I use the MAKARRT nail glue to apply my rhinestones. And the rhinestone wheel that I have is from Amazon, linked in my Amazon shop. And the green little gem tray also came with the gem wheel that I have there. And the hearts, the pink hearts, are from the MAKARRT Hooked on Love collection that I was referencing to earlier. And lastly, I'm using Model 1's Top Coat, my favorite. So there's not too much for me to say. It's all just watching, but I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my designs and add my nail art and bling. I also wanted to quickly mention that when doing your design, so you know how we have some nails that are more clear than the others, you want to make sure you top coat not only the top of it but underneath of it as well. Alright, so my favorite and final step is adding cuticle oil. This is the cuticle oil that I do sell in my Etsy shop. And if you guys are interested, the link will be down below as always. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like I said, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday coming up. And please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this nail design, and also shout out to the artist that was the original creator of this. I'm going to leave her link and all the info down below. That's all I have for today. So I will see you guys next week in my next video. Bye.
You